got an awesome quick video for you guys today where you can make $100 by the time you finish watching this video. And I'm gonna preface this video by saying you do have to be a US resident and you do have to be 18 years old. Those are the only two qualifications. So without wasting too much more of your time, let's hop into the computer so I can show you exactly how to make your $100 so you can go ahead and take it and invest it and hopefully not spend it on Starbucks.
All right, so now that we're in the computer, you're gonna Google Charles Schwab high yield checking. You're gonna click the first link, okay? And what this is Charles Schwab Bank is offering $100 for those who open up a brokerage account with them. But the little loophole is if you open up a checking account with them, they open up a brokerage account on your behalf. And it's a little loophole because usually you have to have $1,000 in the brokerage account to open it up. There's no minimum amount with a checking account. So all you do is open up a checking account. And why you would want to do this is because this checking account is actually much better than Chase or Citi or Wells Fargo. And the reason is you have interest on your money that's sitting there. So you don't need a savings account. You don't get any fees for international withdrawals. So you can withdraw money in any ATM internationally. There are no charges. And you get a free $100. So what you're going to do on this page is you're going to say add referral code, and you're going to hit REFER, simple referral code. And this is nothing for me. I don't get any money for this. This is the generic referral code for those who want to sign up for Charles Schwab. Pure value to you guys because I just, anybody that needs $100 or anybody that wants to get started in investing or cryptocurrency, this might be their way in. So you're going to hit add. You're going to say, no, I'm new to Charles Schwab. Maybe you don't have an account. You probably don't have an account. And after you do all these steps, fill out your personal information. It's going to take you through these steps. And when you get to funding, you can fund the account with only $1. That's all you need. I think you can even fund it with 10 cents if you really need to. Again, there's no minimum for this checking account. That's what makes it so great. This is my personal checking account that I use for everything. It's so much better than any other bank. And you're gonna see after you fund it, you're gonna see that $100 in your account within a week or so. Once you got that $100, I'm hoping that you don't go spend it on Starbucks. I'm hoping that you take that $100 and do something important with it, whether it's starting to invest into cryptocurrency or maybe starting a business, because you can start a business with $100. Guys, that's what I wanted to bring to you. Hopefully that was of value and you were able to follow the steps. If you do have any questions, comment below. I'll answer them right away. If you want to see more videos like this regarding investing, cryptocurrency, business, please hit the subscribe and like this video. It's going to motivate me to do a lot more content for you guys. And stay tuned for the next video. Cheers.